I'm going to show you how you can take Dollar Tree Elves and spruce them up for your home. For both of these projects, I will be using scrap wood, so there are not any set dimensions. For this project, you need about 10 paint stirrers and then a piece of wood for the base. For my base, I use a scrap piece of 1x3 furring strip. I stained both the paint stirrers and the base Kona. While those are drying, I'm adding a piece of dry erase contact paper to the board. I was making the elf and Santa for my grandson, so in order to make them look more like him, I mixed acrylic paint and water to make a dye and painted them. I want my dry erase board to be able to be used year-round. So when I decorate it, I will be adding the decorations with removable double-sided tape. That way, after the holidays, I can remove the decorations. As always, all of the supplies that I'm using are in the description box below. Here, I added the flower by taping the leaf, and the same with the mistletoe. And then I taped a berry pick to hide the ends of the flower. I'm sorry I didn't get the footage for this part of the project. On the little elf, I took some leftover Cricut paper from my porch sign DIY and I placed a C on the front for Caleb. I cut out a couple of snowflakes from the same contact paper that I used in project 1, so that way when I put all 3 pieces together, it will flow. All of the decor items in this video were made by me. The mirror was made using Dollar Tree mirrors, and the dream sign using mirror contact paper. The sculptures at the bottom were made with hot glue. I'll have a playlist in the cards that will link to all of these videos, so be sure to check it out. Make today great on purpose. I love you, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.